Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to tag friends and images on threads. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Threads app. Start by tapping the plus icon to begin composing your post. So when you're creating a post, you have to upload the image. Once you add your image, you will see an option to tag friends. Usually a little tag icon on the image preview. Tap that icon. Now tap on the place where you want your tag to appear, usually under the face of the person. Now search for the username of that person. Once you see the correct account, tap on it. Now the tag is complete. If there are more people in your image, you can tag them as well using the same method. Once everyone is tagged, tap on Done and then publish your thread. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.